Hello everyone. Let's start with chapter 2. Let us have fun with Windows. Let us continue with Windows 7. We already know Windows is graphical user interface and most user-friendly operating system. You can organize your work with the help of Windows Explorer. We can create folders and save our files in that folders. We can move, copy, rename and delete our files and folders. We can also restore deleted files and folders from recycle bin to its original location. Now let us have some fun with Windows. When we start a computer with Windows OS means operating system, we get a desktop. After Windows finishes loading itself on the RAM means the random access memory. The desktop has a background picture which is called the wallpaper. Now let us learn to change the wallpaper and screensaver as per our choice. So let's start. First, to change the wallpaper, click anywhere on the desktop and click on last option, personalize, or you can click on start button, control panel, and then you can click on personalize. Now you can select any picture for wallpaper, minimize from here and see. Again, see. So you can change the wallpaper. Now next one is change the screensaver. For that same steps, right click on desktop, last option, personalize, and look, last option is screensaver. Now click on screensaver, click on that option. I want bubbles. Okay, now preview. Look, so you can change the screensaver also. Next, ribbons. Click on preview. Okay, and then click on apply and OK. So these are the steps to change the desktop background or wallpaper and change the screensaver. Now next one is desktop gadgets. Desktop gadgets in Windows OS contains mini programs called gadgets which offers information like such gadgets are calendars, clock, weather, etc. For that, right click on desktop and second last option is gadgets. Now here calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather, window media. So I want clock on desktop. Click on here. Now double click on clock. Yes. Now you can add calendar also. For that, double click on calendar. So like this you can add gadgets on the desktop. Now you can change the clock also, like I want this, I want this. Wow, wow. So you can select any clock. Wow. Okay, then click on OK. Now next one is changing date and time. For that, so look here on the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Here is the time. Click on time. Change date and time setting. Change date and time setting. From here you can change the time. Then click on OK. Now you will see on this time is changed. Similarly, you can change the date also. From here you can change the date. Then OK. Now here you will see date and time are changed. Okay. Now next one is creating folder in D drive. So what is D drive? Here is a computer, open computer. Here is a C drive, D drive, E drive. So creating a folder in D drive. Double click on D drive and right click anywhere. Here is a drop down menu. Click on, move the arrow on new and then select folder. So this is the new folder. You can change the name also. For that, right click on that folder, select rename, and you can change the folder name. So these are the steps to create a new folder. Now next one is sound recorder. For that, sound recorder is one more accessory application inbuilt in Windows 7. Sound recorder allows you to record your own voice in the computer. Suppose you are creating a presentation with PowerPoint and want to record your sound. For that, first step is click on Start button, then All Programs, Accessories, and here is Sound Recorder. Okay, now click on Start button. This is the start recording. So let's start. Hello students, you can record your sound in Windows 7. So students, after finishing, click on stop button and save. I want to save on desktop. Type your file name and then save. Okay, now close it. Look on the desktop, this is the sound. So let's listen. Hello students, you can record your sound in Windows 7. Okay student, so next I want to save this sound in my folder. So just right click, cut Go to the computer, D drive, my folder is this is standard file, and right click and paste. Okay. Next one is to find files. Sometimes you might have created a file or folder and cannot remember where it is saved. So we can track down a missing file or folders by using the Windows search tool. So where is the search tool? Click on start. So here is the search tool. So click on the start button and type the file name. So I type the file name sound. So you will see search results appear with several search options in pop-up window. So we can select our file. Next one is to create a desktop shortcut. We have learned about many types of icons. One of that is shortcut icon, which has an arrow at its left corner. So on the desktop you can see, look, this is left side arrow. This is the shortcut icon on this also. Okay. Now let us learn how to create a shortcut icon for our folder. So for that, click on computer, D drive, then right click on your folder. This is my folder. So right click on folder and here is the option create shortcut. Click on that. So look, this is the shortcut icon. Another is right click on desktop, move to new, then shortcut. Here is a browse the location where is your folder. In my computer, D drive. In D drive the folder is standard fifth, this one. Then OK. Then next and finish. Now look students, the folders shortcut. Okay. So students, read the lesson once again. If any problem you can ask me and solve the exercise. Write your name and roll number and today's date and solve it. You can take screenshots also and submit before 1 o'clock. Okay, thank you.